delicious and healthy smoothies to boost your day. Smoothies are more than just tasty drinks. They're a fantastic way to pack a ton of nutrients into one glass. They're quick, easy, and perfect for busy mornings or post-workout refreshment. Today, we'll show you 4 amazing smoothie recipes that will nourish your body and tantalize your taste buds. Antioxidant Powerhouse. This Berry Blast Smoothie is loaded with antioxidants that help fight inflammation and support your immune system. The spinach adds a boost of iron and fiber, while chia seeds provide omega-3 fatty acids. Packed with vitamins and minerals, this smoothie is perfect for starting your day on a healthy note or as a midday pick-me-up. Don't let the color fool you. This Green Machine Smoothie is as delicious as it is nutritious. Leafy greens are powerhouses of vitamins and minerals, while cucumber and lemon aid in hydration and detoxification. This smoothie is an excellent way to increase your daily vegetable intake and support your body's natural detox processes. Transport yourself to a tropical paradise with this vitamin C-packed tropical sunrise smoothie. The combination of citrus and tropical fruits not only tastes amazing, but also supports your immune system and skin health. With its bright flavors and nutrient profile, this smoothie is perfect for boosting your mood and energy levels. Who says healthy can't be indulgent? This chocolate peanut butter protein smoothie proves that Nutritious can also be delicious. It's perfect for post-workout recovery or as a satisfying meal replacement. High in protein and healthy fats, this smoothie will keep you full and satisfied while supporting muscle growth and repair. Incorporating these smoothies into your routine can have amazing benefits for your health. Increased fruit and vegetable intake, better hydration, improved digestion, enhanced nutrient absorption, sustained energy throughout the day. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, support your fitness goals, or simply enjoy a delicious and nutritious drink, these smoothies have got you covered. They're easy to make, customizable, and a great way to nourish your body. So why not start your smoothie journey today? Your body will thank you. Don't forget to subscribe for more healthy recipes and tips to elevate your well-being.